how to have a blank name on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and just tap on the search bar. As you tap on the search bar, what you simply need to do is you have to search for the option called blank character. So simply tap on the search bar and search for blank. So just tap on it and search for blank character. You'll be able to see different options. So I'm going to select on a very first option that pops up. Let's just select it, and here you can just tap on copy to clipboard. So as I've copied it, we're going to go back, tap on the TikTok application on our device and make sure that we have logged into our account. So as we are logged into our account, simply what you need to do is tap on the profile section on TikTok at the bottom top right corner. So let's select on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So as you tap on profile, it will lead us to our own profile where you can see all our posts, videos, the videos that we have reposted and everything. So you can also see the number of followers, following list, and so on. So let's just tap on our profile over here. And as we tap on our profile, let's just select it and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And as you do that, you can just tap on profile here, tap on edit profile again. As you tap on edit profile, you have to wait for a while until it loads you to your edit profile editing section. So simply tap on edit profile. So as you tap on edit profile, you'll be able to just make necessary changes to your name, to your profile picture, and so on. So let's wait for a while and tap on edit profile and then tap on the name option. Let's tap on the name and remove this name, and let's gonna paste what we had copied to clipboard from the Google one and simply tap on paste. Then tap on save, and as we tap on save, we just have to wait for a while. And as we wait for a while, you can just now go to our profile, and as you go to our profile, you'll be able to see that you have a blank name on TikTok. So you can just paste it again and have proper internet connection. So let's tap on it and let's paste it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.